Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AdMath. AdMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIEO level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we started exercise 16.2 from chapter number 16 name Kinematics. We did question number 1. Today we are going to do some more questions of this exercise. But before I start next question, first I would suggest all those students who are watching my lectures first time, kindly go to my playlist. There is a folder, name is AdMath. Watch previous lectures of this chapter. After watching previous lecture, definitely you will have good command on this topic. Let's start question number 2, exercise 16.1. A particle moving in a straight line passes through a fixed point O. Its velocity v meters per second after passing through O is given by v is equals to 32 upon t plus 2 whole square. Part A, find the acceleration of the particle when t is equals to 2. Part B, find the expression for the displacement of the particle from O. Part C, find the distance traveled by the particle in the third second. Very easy question and very important according to examination point of view. Given that v is equals to 32 upon t plus 2 whole square. This is the velocity. Part A is find the acceleration when the particle is at t is equals to 2 seconds. So you know how to find the acceleration of the particle. We just differentiate velocity with respect to time. First we write 32 upon t plus 2 whole square in this form. T plus 2, this will become minus 2. Now the derivative is 32 into minus 2 is minus 64, t plus 2 minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Then write A is equals to minus 64 upon t plus 2 becomes plus 3. So this is the acceleration, but we need to find the acceleration when t is equals to 2. So A acceleration at t is equals to 2 is minus 64 upon 2 plus 2 cube minus 64 upon 2 plus 2 is 4 cube minus 64 upon 4 cube is 64 cancel by 64 minus 1 ms minus 2. This is the answer of part A. Minus 1 ms minus 2. Acceleration at t is equals to 2. Part B. Find an expression for the displacement of the particle from O. So how to find the displacement? Very easy. For displacement we need the value of velocity again. So B part is V is equals to 32 T plus 2 power minus 3. Sorry, minus 2. This is given in question. Minus 2. In order to find the displacement with the help of velocity, we need to integrate velocity with respect to t. So v dt is equals to integrate 32 t plus 2 power minus 2 dt. Now integrate this. So v dt, integrate v dt means s displacement. Taking 32 outside, the sign of integration, t plus 2 whole power minus 2 integration is t plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 upon minus 1. And you know there is some constant. When we integrate definite integral, we must add c. So our value is minus 32 upon t plus 2. T plus 2 minus 1 becomes plus 1 because we drag this to becomes the numerator. But this is not final answer because we need to find the value of c. How to find the value of c? You know, when time t is equals to 0, it means the displacement must be equals to 0. Displacement must be equals to 0. So assign the name of this equation is equation number 1. Put s is equals to 0 is equals to minus 32 upon t is 0 plus 2 plus c. So 0 is equals to minus 32 upon 2 plus c. 2 16s are 32, then c is equals to 16. Put this value of c in equation number 1 again. In this equation, s is equals to 32 upon t plus 2 plus c. c is 16. This is the answer of part B. Hope you enjoy and understand. Or if you make this as 32 upon t plus 2, because in answer in the book more simplification. Okay, we will also do more simplification. This is minus, keep in mind. Take t plus 2 is LCM. So minus 32 plus 16 into t is 16t, 16 2s are 32. 32 cancel by 32, so s is equals to 16t upon t plus 2. This is the answer which is given in the book. So hope you understand part B. What was part B? Find expression for the displacement of the particle from O. Our expression is t plus 16t upon t plus 2. Part C. Find the distance traveled by the particle in third second. Very easy. Distance. This is part C. Distance in third second means we have to find the distance when t is equals to 3 minus we have to find the distance when t is equals to 2. So we need to find S3 minus S2. This is our S. So S3 minus S2 is equals to 16 into t, t3 upon t plus 2, 3 plus 2 minus 16 into 2 upon 2 plus 2. 16 3 is 48 upon 5. 16 2 is 32 upon 4. Take the LCM 4 and 5 or simplify it directly from the book. The LCM is 20. 5 4s are 20 and 4 into 48. 192 minus 4 5s are 20 and 32 into 5 is 160. So 192 minus 160 is 32 upon 20. Now the final answer in decimal form is 1.6 meters. So this is the distance in third second, distance of the particle in third second. So hope you understand and enjoy the whole question number 2. Now move to question number 3. Question number 3. A particle moving in a straight line passing through a fixed point O, its velocity v meters per second t seconds after passing through O is given by v is equals to 4 e power 2t plus 2t. Part A. Find the acceleration of the particle when t is equals to 1. Very easy. You know, when we have velocity, we just differentiate velocity with respect to time to obtain acceleration. 4 e power 2t derivative is 4 e power 2t multiplied by 2 plus derivative of 2t is 2. So 4 to the 8 e power 2t plus 2 is the acceleration. Now we need to find the answer when t is equals to 1. So acceleration when t is equals to 1 is equals to 8 e power 2 into 1 plus 2. So 8 e power 2 ones are 8 e2 plus 2 meters per second square. No need to find the value of E2. This is our final answer of part A. Move to part B. Find an expression for the displacement of the particle from O. So again, displacement with the help of given velocity means we have to integrate this with respect to t. Now I am not showing the sign of integration, I am just writing the answer directly. So integrate v means s, for e power 2t integrate is e power 2t upon 2 plus 2t integration is 2t square upon 2 plus c. Simplify it, 2 to the 4 e 2t plus 2 cancel by 2 t square plus c. But this is not our final answer because we need to find the value of constant, that is the value of c. You know, when t is equals to 0, at time t is equals to 0, distance s is equals to 0. So replace, this is equation number 1. Replace s by 0 is equals to 2e 2 into t. T is 0 plus t square, 0 square plus c. So 0 is equals to 2 e power 2 into 0, something multiplied by 0 power is 1 plus 0 square is 0 plus c. Hence the value of c is minus 2. This is the value of c. Now put this value of minus 2 in equation number 1. S is equals to 2 e power 2t plus t square plus c. C is minus 2. This is our final answer. Hope you understand this part. 2 e power 2t plus t square minus 2 is the displacement of the particle. Now move to part C. What is part C? Find the total distance traveled by the particle in the first 2 seconds of its motion. So we need to find the total distance of the particle of first 2 seconds. Give your answer correct to the nearest meter. Very easy. You know, third second means S3 minus S2. But first 2 seconds means S2 minus S0. It means at time t is equals to 2 and at time t is equals to 0. So we have S2 means S2 minus S0 is equals to, put in the given answer of part B, 2 e power 2t. T is 2 plus t square. 2 square minus 2 minus 2e power 2 into 0 plus 0 square minus 2. Two e 4 plus 2 square is 4 minus 2 minus 2e20 means just 2 minus 2, 2 cancel by 2, 2e4 plus 4 minus 2 is 2. Now calculate this value. Our answer is 111.19. 111.9. 193. But correct to nearest meter means 111 meter. This is the requirement of the question. We need to give the answer correct to nearest meter. So student, this is question number 3. Very important question. Now move to question number 4. A particle moving in a straight line passes through a fixed point O. Its velocity v meters per second t seconds after passing through O is given by v is equals to t plus 2 cos t upon 3. Find the displacement of the particle from O when t is equals to 3 pi by 2 and its acceleration at this instance. So it is very important, you know, how to find the displacement with the help of velocity. We just integrate v, but this time this question is related to definite integral, because find the displacement of the particle from O when t is equals to 3 pi by 2. So it means integrate 0 to 3 pi by 2 v dt is equals to integrate 0 to 3 pi by 2 t plus 2 cos t upon 3 dt. This is the question. Very easy, no issue. v dt means s. T integration is t square upon 2, limit from 0 to 3 pi by 2 plus 2 cos integration is sine t upon 3 upon 1 upon 3, limit 0 to 3 pi by 2. S is equals to 1 upon 2, apply the limit, 3 pi by 2 whole square minus 0 square plus 1 upon 3 reciprocal is 2 into 3 upon 1, that is 2 3 is 6, sine t upon 3, so 3 pi by 2 2 3 is 6 minus sine 0 upon 3, that is 0. 3 pi by 2 square is 9 pi square upon 4. 9 pi square upon 4 plus 6, 3 2s are 6, sin pi by 2, and sin pi by 2 is 1, is equals to 1 upon 2 4s are 8 into 9 pi square plus 6, or you can write 9 pi square upon 8 plus 6 meters. This is the answer of displacement, but we need to find the acceleration as well. See this, find the displacement of the particle from O when t is equals to 3 pi by 2 and its acceleration at this instance. So v is equals to t plus 2 cos t upon 3, v is equals to, what is this, t plus 2 cos t upon 3. So differentiate v with respect to t gives us acceleration. Derivative of t is 1, derivative of cos is minus sign, so minus 2 sin t upon 3 multiply by the derivative of t upon 3, that is 1 upon 3. Hence acceleration is one upon 1 minus 1 upon 3 into 2 is 2 upon 3 sin t upon 3, and acceleration at t is equals to 3 pi by 2. This is the requirement of the question. So 1 minus 2 upon 3 sin t upon 3, t is 3 pi by 2. So 3 pi by 2 and 3 already present, so 3 2s are 6. So acceleration A is equals to 1 minus 2 upon 3, 3 2s are 6, sin pi by 2. So A is equals to 1 minus 2 upon 3, sin pi by 2 is 1. So A is equals to 1 minus 2 upon 3, or A is equals to 3 1s are 3, 3 minus 2 is 1 upon 3. ms minus 2. This is the answer of question number 4. Hope you enjoyed this question, all parts. So in today's class we did question number 2, 3 and 4. Our next lecture will consist of more questions of exercise 16.2. Until unless do practice all remaining all previous questions and previous exercises. How many questions are left? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I will try to finish remaining question in next 2 lectures. So students, this is our today's class. Hope you enjoy a lot. I request all of you kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos as many as you can. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.